Hi everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve Monopoly Go button. To know how to fix or how to solve Monopoly Go button, you should just go to settings. Here in this page we click apps, default apps, app settings. Then in this list we'll search about Monopoly Go app. When you find this list of app and for you, we click on first stop and we click OK. Here we go to click storage, then we click clear cache, and in the end you can go to Play Store. You will search about Monopoly Go and you can update your app here in this blue sign if you will find it. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.